Stop. Don't delete that video. So you're halfway through recording your video. When you stumble over your words or forget what you're saying or accidentally knock something over, your first instinct, delete everything and start over, right?
No. Hitting delete is the worst thing you can do. Hi, I'm Robert Arnot, the Video Wizard, and this is my wife, Nancy Walsh, the Mindset Magician. And in this video, we're going to give you some great tips on how to recover from recording mistakes without having to start over. Of course, if you blow the first few lines, you can start over, and that's usually the best. But we're talking about not deleting and starting over after getting partway through your video. I know that some people keep starting over to avoid editing, but we will explain how there can be easy fixes.
Trying to be perfect can also be a reason why some people keep re-recording. But when you mess up and immediately hit stop and delete, you're actually training your brain to expect failure and have to do it over and over and be more frustrated. This creates more anxiety in the next recording attempt.
Plus, you're wasting time. I've seen people re-record the same 2-minute video a bunch of times because they kept starting over for tiny mistakes that could have been easily fixed or worked into the video. Here are what we call the 3 R's to deal with these mistakes.
The first R stands for reset. So when you mess up, just take a breath. Yeah, don't stop recording. Just pause for 2 to 3 seconds, reset your energy, and say, let me try that again, so you can easily fix it back in the editor afterwards.
And here's a pro tip. Leave the camera rolling and do a physical reset. Shake your shoulders, smile, and get back into that confident posture you had. This usually helps your energy recover. Then keep going, or just repeat the last words you had trouble with. It's easy to remove the messed up words when editing.
So the next R is reframe. Instead of thinking, I messed up, reframe it as, well, I'm creating authentic content and getting better at it. So some of our best videos include these natural moments because they make us more relatable.
And here's a little secret. Those little stumbles can make your video feel more conversational and more authentic.
And the third R is redirect. So if you completely lose your train of thought, don't panic. Just simply say, you know, what's really important here is, and redirect to your main point. Your audience will never know that you went off track.
Or use transition phrases like, speaking of that, or the key thing to remember is these phrases are like magic bridges that get you back on track smoothly.
So keep a glass of water nearby or a water bottle because dry mouth nerves just can cause more stumbles. And remember, your audience is rooting for you, not judging you.
In editing, you can always cut out long pauses, but you can't add back authenticity. Sometimes the mistake makes the video more engaging than a perfect take would have been.
Remember, every professional creator has blooper reels. The difference is they've learned to work with their mistakes instead of against them.
Try this in your next recording. When you mess up, don't stop. Just reset and keep going. You'll be amazed at how much more confident and in the flow you feel. And what's your biggest fear about messing up on camera? Let us know in the comments below, or share a funny story you might have had about making a video.
And want more professional help with your video confidence? Visit cameraattraction.com for coaching and support from us. So if this helped you feel more confident about recording or just get some good ideas, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more camera confidence tips. And And here's a couple bloopers from our attempt at recording, so you get to see that we don't get it.
No, but we kept
Perfect.
going.
We keep going.
Yeah. Stop. Yeah. Oh, look at the camera too, though.
Yeah.
Stop.
Wait. Okay. I think it's a little lower, not right like here, but stop. Okay.
Or use transition phrases. Or use transition phases.
Remember, every personal, oh boy. Remember, every professional creator has blooper reels.